Imagine earning Bitcoin without worrying about your battery life or phone performance. With Quantum Miner, you can start mining Bitcoin on any device, Android or iOS, without draining your battery. Thousands of users have already discovered the power of Quantum Miner. They're mining effortlessly and watching real profits hit their wallets every day. Withdrawals are instant, and the testimonials speak for themselves. People just like you have mined and withdrawn their earnings successfully. With Quantum Miner, even beginners can mine up to 1 Bitcoin in just 48 hours. The process is simple, fast, and completely reliable. No hidden fees, no delays, just real Bitcoin straight to your wallet. We'll show you videos from users who've withdrawn successfully, proving that Quantum Miner isn't just a promise, it's a reality.
I see a lot of people asking if Quantum Miner is legit. That's why I'm sharing this. I purchased the miner from their official website. I mined, requested a withdrawal, and received my Bitcoin directly into my wallet. This is my proof. If you're still doubting, just try it and see the results for yourself.
At first, I tested Quantum Miner with a small purchase just to be sure. After my first successful withdrawal, I increased my mining. Since then, it's been consistent. Real mining, real Bitcoin, real withdrawals. I'm happy I gave it a chance.
What I care about most is withdrawals. Anybody can promise profits, but Quantum Miner actually pays. I've withdrawn Bitcoin more than once, and every time it was instant. No excuses, no waiting for days. If you're serious about mining, this is one platform I can confidently recommend.
J'utilise un iPhone, alors j'avais peur que le minage ne fonctionne pas bien. Mais Quantum Miner m'a prouvé le contraire. L'application est fluide, sans surchauffe ni problème de batterie. J'ai demandé un retrait et il est apparu presque instantanément sur mon portefeuille. Voir cette confirmation de transaction était incroyable.
Honestly, I was skeptical at first. I've tried a lot of mining apps that didn't work, but with Quantum Miner, I decided to try it out. I installed it on my phone, let it run, and when I requested my first withdrawal, it went straight to my wallet. No stress, no delay. That's when I knew this one was real.
It's time to take control of your Bitcoin journey. Visit our website, getquantumminer.com, and start mining today. Your first Bitcoin could be closer than you think.